This is the second part of the radical and exponential forms, in which I'll talk about simplification of these terms. I'll start. For example, I have this term. The first step is to see what you have here, and then you convert all of these terms into such terms that you get them into something raised to power this 3. Okay, so what I'll do, first I'll simplify 16. The easiest way to simplify 16 is, for example, 4 into 4. You can also write 8 into 2. It's up to you. Okay, so 4 into 4, and then you have x and x and x and x. You have 4x, so I just wrote them as 4x. And then you have y, so y, 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 and y. Okay, now what you can do, this 4 you can write it as 2 into 2, and this one also you can write it as 2 into 2. There's the 3. So this 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and this here, since you have 3 here, so what I'll do, I'll take 3x and write them as x cube. So I'll be left with 1x, and then I'll take 3y. Since you have 3 here, so that's why I'm taking 3y's. If I had 4, I would take 4. If I had 5, I would take 5. So I'll take 3y's and write them as y cube. And I'll be left with 2y's, which I can write as y square. Now here I'll do the same thing. Since I have 3, I'll take 3 2's and I'll write them as 2 cube. So this thing will become as 2 cube times 2 times x cube times x times y cube times y square. So what I can do, I can take all the cubic terms together, 2 cube, x cube, and y cube, and make a bracket. Now this radical form, I can convert it into exponential form like this, and the remaining I can write it as 2x, this 2x and y square. Now this here, when I open the bracket, it will be 3 into 1 by 3, 3 into 1 by 3, 3 into 1 by 3, and this term is in its most simplified form, so I won't touch it anymore. Now this 3 and 3 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel, 3 and 3 will cancel, so I'll be left with 2xy cubic root of 2xy square. So this here is how I can simplify this radical and exponential term. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you very much.